Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos about software testing and DevOps. So in this video I'm going to show you small framework which has a test ng, like we have followed page object modeling and reporting. We have Allure report. For the log purpose we have used log4j. So this all whatever things required for the framework, some basic framework we have created. Like I have created a small framework with all the components. So here my framework. So this is the framework structure. Here main resource Java, by default you will get it. For test resource also, then my one dependency test ng I have added, so it will come. So apart from that we have created for Allure report one more folder called Allure, and Allure result will be like once run it will be automatically created similar to test ng output. Then I have created one more folder called drivers to store the Chrome driver or Gecko driver, whatever required. No need to access every time from outside or somewhere. Then for log4j to store all the logs, so created one more folder log4j and storing the log file there. So script, so if we have some kind of a shell script, so here I have created a shell script to run the Allure report command actually. Then source, target, output, these are all common. Test suite I have created to create a different kind of test suite of test ng. Here I have smoke suite actually. So just run 2-3 test cases by simply I have created. Let's go to the main component called page object modeling. What actually page object modeling? So if you are creating a different class or different object for each page, for example home page will have one class like homepage.java, and whatever method we are going to perform in that page also will be in the same page. Because in future, for example in future if I want to change something on home page, I have to touch only on the locator. So page factory we have, so locator only, the method will be same. Then test cases we have here, so test case will be same, no need to change anything on that. Okay, so still we can go external level, we can pass this value from JSON or some XML also, but this is the basic simple framework, like anyone can understand. Even I can share you the link, GitHub link of this framework at the end of the video, like I can add it in the description, so even you can clone it and you can try it out. So like people, lot of people knows Selenium automation, but everyone will be confused about what is framework, what is framework. So my simple example is like, for example if you have a movies of multiple language, what you will do basically, so you will split Hollywood, Bollywood, all regional language, everything separate and keep it in a folder. Even in Hollywood, like science fiction, horror movie, action movie, you will make it some more folder. These are all just for organizing the folder or structure. And what is the use of that? Even if I take your laptop, I can just find it by seeing home page. Okay, this is then home page class, sign in page. Okay, sign in page class, then login test. So this is I have created simply login 1, login 2, something like I can make it to sign up and login. This is base page. So base page maybe will have all the basic component, base component like launch browser, some wrapper and all created for click and text, like enter, like type the text into the web element. So we have created wrapper methods. So the basic thing you have to understand the page objects. So home page, when you are writing the test class, we just call sp new sign in page. It will go to sign in page and will call proceed to login. When you call proceed to login, indirectly it will enter the email and password send keys. I will send the password. Click on sign in button and wait for the element. So this is what it will do actually. Then we are writing the log, end log, in the sense like login success, something you can put, then quit. This is the basic structure. Same way we have proceed to login and click on home page. So if you go to click on home page, we have just click on login, just login page. For this purpose I have used Here I can give you a base page. Here I have created a launch browser. Just I have given the code for launching the browser. If you want to launch browser in source lab, there is separate configuration is available. For click, you can just click, no need to write and all, just pass the element, click off, and type text and pass the element as well as string. These are all wrapper you can create yourself if you want, otherwise you can directly use from the Selenium things. Okay, so click on login button. The basic, once you go to home page, you will get a login button. Let me go to maybe automationpractice.com. So after launching the site, like whatever page you are getting, that is the home page. So that's how I have created. So this just in home page I am going to click only on sign in. So I have locator for sign in and click on sign in button, one method in the home page. So this thing will happen from the home page. That's what I said. Click on login button. So clicking on the sign in button locator we have. After that it will go to sign in page. So I'm moving all other things to sign in page, like enter email, password, like sign in button. 3 element I'm going to interact. So enter email and password and sign in button. So now here you can see proceed to login, email, password and sign in button. So this is in the sign in page. Now I'm going to construct a test case with this home page and sign in page. Example login to. Here I will delete unwanted. So just login, launch browser. I just calling from the base page. Then driver.get main URL. Then home page constructor we have created here, new home page of driver. So home page hp dot click on login button, so it will call from the home page. Then we are going to do login. So from the sign in page we are going to call the proceed to login method, so passing email and password, then quit. So this is how the simple page object modeling will look like. You can create multiple page and multiple test cases here. And there are some other component like log4j properties I have put into resource. And in Java main I have helper class that constant.java, which has get main URL, set main URL. So some get and set methods, log4j related configuration thing also I kept in helper. So like when framework grows, you may need more helper classes. So in the next version maybe I have implemented like excel based. So excel handling, excel reading and writing, there will be one more class, so I have added here. So when we go to JSON reader or something like that, then JSON reader method I will write in the some base page, or will create one more JSON reader. So from there I can use. So this is something like basic. Here you have page object, test cases, helper, and some resources if you want. And if you want to store screenshot, create one more folder here. No need to worry about it, because don't get confused or don't make people confused. Just create one more folder called screenshots. And if you want to store test images, create one more folder, or just create it in the resource main or test. Here you can create a test images. So you can access, if you want to upload any image, you can store here, you can call it from here only. So this is how you have to organize. So what you have to think is like, if you give your framework to someone, they should be able to understand. That's how it should be. And when you are facing some issue in future, or if you want to change something, this framework should be able to change in the future. Or if you're going to add, if you're going to remove allure report and going to put some other uh, extend report or some other report, it should be. And in future if you're going to planning to implement cucumber or something, it should allow. And same way some third parties tools, everything it should allow. So that's how you have to plan. There are some, when you are creating a framework, some basic things are there. Naming convention, the main thing is naming convention. For example, see, if you create login 1, login 2, people will get confused. What is this 1, 2? So you should not, you should exactly name it, like home page, sign in page. Even when you are uh, creating a method, objects, you should HP home page, SP sign in page, something like that. Similar related names you have to give. And you should not use thread.sleep everywhere. There are some cases you have to, that cases you can use with commands, because people will not remove that and people will understand why you are used. Otherwise, in coming days, like people also started without using thread, they will try to get their work done. But some cases we have to use, some everywhere we should not use. Okay, so everything should be commented when you are getting a when you are commanding some block of code. On top of that command, why you commented this code, when it has to be uncommand, everything you have to give it. So like, this is how the basic structure. Don't worry about the code what it is. I will give you the link of the framework. So here is the link. When you are, there is some basic instruction also here, reporting structure. And when you click on the view on GitHub, you will directly go to GitHub source code. You can just download the zip file or clone it. Okay. Okay guys, I think you have understood some basic thing about the framework. I didn't explain in depth of the framework, because framework you will not get by explaining or just by seeing it. Refer this and create your own. If you face an issue, just ping me on the channel itself, no problem. I can help you to create your own framework. Till you create your own framework, you will not be expert in the creating framework. Just by seeing the videos or just by seeing the GitHub, you won't be expert in the creating framework. Create one at least, let it fail, so then you can add one more features. So every day you can add one feature. Maybe after a week it will be like good or somewhat look like a framework, you will feel happy. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Even if you need any videos for anything, please ping me on the comments so I can create video and give it to you. Thank you.